Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start Echinacea seeds. First, you'll need to prepare your seeds for germination. Echinacea seeds benefit greatly from a period of cold stratification, which mimics winter conditions. To do this, simply place your seeds in a moist paper towel, then seal them in a plastic bag. Store this bag in your refrigerator for about 30 days at a temperature between 35 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for breaking dormancy. After stratification, it's time to sow your seeds. Fill your seed trays with a high-quality, well-draining seed starting mix. Make sure the mix is moist but not waterlogged. Sow your Echinacea seeds about 1/4 of an inch deep, aiming for 1 to 2 inches of space between each seed. Lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil, then gently water the tray. Avoid overwatering to prevent damping off. For successful germination, keep the soil temperature consistently between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. A heat mat can be very helpful here. Maintain consistent moisture in the soil, but be careful not to let it become waterlogged, as this can lead to rot. Once your seedlings emerge, they will need plenty of light. Aim for 14 to 16 hours of bright light each day, using grow lights if natural light is insufficient. Once your Echinacea seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves and are strong enough, it's time to prepare them for the outdoors. Gradually harden them off over 7 to 10 days, exposing them to increasing periods of outdoor conditions. Then, transplant them into a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Give them plenty of space to grow and enjoy your beautiful Echinacea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.